So again, here's the initial sketch. It does have a rounded edge there. This part is symmetrical. The handle is as well, and the whole piece if you divide this section together. Once you kind of get the outline of this, you can get the contour and heavy up these lines. Take a look at the overall material holding the handle in. Building that up. Building this piece together. It kind of gives it almost like a metallic hood ornament here for this piece. And again, the contour line will give you some information as well as the shading with this chrome look to it. And these edges here, so it gives you a nice piece right up here. And again, the outline gives you enough to locate that section. This red line, as it cuts across, you can put it in solidly and then again take an eraser and just kind of randomly pick out some of the textured pieces, and it does give you that initial look to it. But again, it's kind of a light gray, and it does have some highlights, so you can add to that as you go. You can even almost put a light circle. But again, trying to shade it so even the lines that you shade with wrap around the cross contour of the form. Building that in. Then when you get up to this edge, the ridge is also showing a thin and thick line to help you emphasize the metallic look to it. And the chrome is going to reflect whatever happens to be around it, so I didn't take this photo, so I'm not sure exactly who or what is around this part. But you can see it's reflecting into itself. Here's the handle right here. And the red part up here has the base tone, half tone, little quarter tone, little highlight. Blends it right there. And then all of these parts, as they wrap around, they actually go across the contour and help define what that shape is. So all these lines that you see, they wrap themselves up and follow the curve of the cylindrical metal handle and break apart. Creating that piece. And then again, just in this granite part, I'm going to try to particular close to the detail. A lot of people take it for granite. So that's going to be a section there. A little reflection in the stone itself. I could even try this to smear some of the paper notch in there. Did I? I'll be back. Let me finish this up here. Again, you can push the, always think of the values, trying to get the base tone, the highlight, quarter tone, little reflected light coming into it. the stone, in this particular picture, there's some carvings or cuttings into the stone that you can accent. And again, here's the highlighting you can bring in. The texture, I'm just using the eraser going back and forth just to smear some of the graphite onto the surface. It gets a little bit of that look to the stone. You're kind of drawing with the eraser a little bit. A little bit of that texture. Gives you a pretty good rendition in there. Just clean up the edges, go back to the outside line and re-look at it, see what's connecting to it. See how you do.